Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to share you one recipe which is prepared using paneer, that is restaurant style palak paneer, along with that Malabar parota. Please watch complete video without skipping for detailed recipe. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Now for preparing restaurant style palak paneer, I have taken here one pan, I have added little water. Now I am adding palak. Today I am using one bunch of palak. I am going to blanch it. I am adding little sugar so that the color of the palak remains the same. I am adding little water. I am adding little salt. I will allow the palak to boil in water for around 2 minutes and then I will show you. Here I have taken another pan and I am adding 1 spoon of besan, that is gram flour. As I am preparing it in restaurant style, I am using gram flour today. I will tell you why I am using this. Now I am going to dry roast it for around 1 to 2 minutes. Until we will get the good aroma from gram flour, we need to roast this. Now I am feeling the aroma of gram flour. Now I will switch off the stove and I am going to transfer this to separate bowl. Now here you can see after 2 minutes palak look like this. The quantity has reduced and as I have added salt and sugar, the color of the palak remains the same. Color doesn't change. After 2 minutes I am going to switch off the stove. Now I am going to strain the water. After straining the water, I will add little cold water, normal water, and again I will strain this. Now for the same pan I am adding oil. Once the oil is heated, I am going to roast the paneer. If you want, you can use raw paneer also. Today I am using 250 grams of Milky Mist paneer. Once the oil is heated, I am adding paneer. Until it changes to little golden brown in color, I will fry this. If you don't like to roast this, you can add it raw also. You can see it's changing to golden brown. For me personally, I like this when I roast it like this, so I am following this procedure. Even we can marinate the paneer and then also we can fry it in the same way. In my previous videos I have showed a restaurant style dhaba style paneer curry. I will attach the link. If you have not checked, you can check that also. Now you can see it's changed to golden brown. It's enough if it is fried this much. Now I am going to switch off the stove. Now for another pan, I'm adding oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding jeera. I have added one onion. I'm going to fry this. I've added 4 to 5 garlic and 1 inch of ginger. I'm going to fry this. And now I'm adding 1 tomato. We have to fry this until tomato gets soft. Now you can see tomato is cooked. Now I'll switch off the stove and I'll transfer this to mixer jar. Now I'm transferring this to mixer jar. Once I will grind this. Once it is grinded like this, now I am going to add the boiled palak. Now again I will grind this. After grinding palak, it looks like this. Here for the same pan I have added little oil. I am adding jeera. Now I am adding 1 chopped onion. We have to fry this until onion turns to little golden brown color. Now I am adding little turmeric powder. I am not using jeera powder today as I have used jeera. If you want, you can add jeera powder also. I am adding dhania powder. Around 1 spoon of dhania powder. And I am adding garam masala, around half spoon of garam masala. After frying this, I am adding the prepared masala paste. Now by adding little water, I am going to adjust the consistency. Now I will allow it to boil. Now I am adding salt for taste. Now I am adding the roasted gram flour. It gives the thickness to all curry. You can use it for all the curries. And it gives the restaurant style taste. And now I am adding the roasted paneer. Now I will mix this. You can see the greenish color of palak. Now I am going to add fresh cream. Today I am using homemade fresh cream. Around 2 spoons of fresh cream I am adding today. I will mix this once. Now I am adding fresh lime juice, very little, just for taste. Today I am tasting this with Malabar Parota. I will show you that also. Now it's boiling. Now my palak paneer is ready. Restaurant style palak paneer is ready. I will switch off the stove. Today I am using Malabar Parota, that is ID's Malabar Parota. I am going to roast this. For roasting that, I have already heated pan. Sorry, tawa. I am adding little oil. And now I am placing the paratha. On both the sides of paratha, I am adding oil. Now you can see it's cooked on both the sides. Once it is cooked like this, I will take it to separate plate. After transferring to plate, we need to crush it, or you can fold it and you can do like this so that the layer will get open. Like this we can do. Now the layer Malabar Paratha is ready. See, the layers are open now. Now you can see restaurant style palak paneer is ready. I have garnished it with grated paneer. Along with that, Malabar Parota. You can taste it with even chapati also. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get updates of all my latest videos. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.